Welcome to my English class, kids. How are you today? I hope everyone is safe and healthy out there. Today, in Module 7, Out and About, you are going to look at the grammar part, singular and plural nouns. I hope at the end of today's lesson, you will be able to spell singular and plural nouns correctly and listen to exchanges and identify animals correctly. Before that, please get ready your Get Smart Plus 3 student's book. Now, open your student's book and turn to page 66. And turn to page 66. You are going to listen and read about Uncle Sam's farm in Activity 1.
Greg and Anna are on Uncle Sam's farm. Uncle Sam is showing the animals to the children.
This is Daisy the duck, and that is Henry the horse.
How many horses are there on the farm, Uncle Sam?
Just one, but I have got 10 ducks and 15 cows.
Do ducks eat tomatoes?
Of course, they love them.
What other animals are there on the farm?
Goats and sheep. I have got 20 goats and 45 sheep. I make cheese with the milk. It's delicious.
Look, Greg, a mouse. Where is it going?
Uncle Sam, the mice love your cheese.
Shoo! Shoo! Go away!
Can you identify the singular and plural noun in the story just now? Yes. So here are some of the examples of singular and plural nouns in the story just now. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one. Noun is defined as a word which identifies a person, animal, place, or thing. In order to make a noun plural, it is usually only necessary to add s or es or ies. For example, duck, ducks, goat, goats, cow, cows, horse, horses, chicken, chickens, tomato, tomatoes. While irregular plural nouns are nouns that do not become plural by adding s, es, or ies. For example, wolf, wolves, mouse, mice, sheep, sheep, child, children. Let's look at the singular and regular plural nouns. Duck, ducks. Goat, goats. Cow, cows. Horse, horses. chicken, chickens. Tomato, tomatoes. Plural of words ending in O are usually made by adding es. Now, let's look at the singular and irregular plural nouns. Nouns ending in F. Woof, wolves. To make a plural of a word ending in F, change the F to V. Change the F to V and add es. Woof, wolves. Calf, calves. Irregular nouns that do not change at all when made plural. Some English nouns are identical in both the singular and the plural forms. Many of these are names for animals. For example, the singular and plural for sheep are the same. The singular is sheep. The plural is also sheep. Another example is fish. The singular and plural for fish are the same. The singular is fish. The plural is also fish. Irregular nouns that change in spelling. Some words change in spelling when made plural. For example, the singular is called mouse. The plural form of the mouse, if more than one, we refer them as mice. Mouse, mice. The other example is child, and the plural form is children. Child, children. And goose. And if the goose is more than one, then we call them geese. Goose, geese. Now, let's check today's task. Please get your Get Smart +3 students book, exercise book BI1, and your stationeries. Now, turn to page 67. Turn to page 67 of your Get Smart +3 students book. You are going to do activity 3. Please copy this task in your exercise book BI1. Do not scribble the student's book. Task A. Activity 3. Listen and number 1 to 5. In this task, you need to listen to the audio and number the animals 1 to 5. I will play the audio. Get ready with your pencil and listen carefully. Ready?
Activity 3. Listen and number 1 to 5. 1.
Mum, can I ride one?
Okay, Sally, but be careful. 2. Wow, they're very big. 3.
What's that? I'm scared.
4.
Hey, look! They're diving underwater.
5.
Look at them. They're fat and white.
I'll replay the audio. Listen and recheck your answer. Ready?
Activity 3. Listen and number 1 to 5. 1.
Mum, can I ride one?
Okay, Sally, but be careful. 2. Wow, they're very big. 3.
What's that? I'm scared.
4.
Hey, look! They're diving underwater.
5.
Look at them. They're fat and white.
And this is how you write Task A, Activity 3 in your exercise book BI1. Please write with neat and legible handwriting. Don't forget to write today's day and date at the top of your book. Now, please get your Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. Turn to page 53. Turn to page 53. You are going to do Activity 1 and Activity 2. Task B. Activity 1. Look and write. Then write the plurals. In this task, you need to look and write the singular and the plurals for the given animals. For example, number 1, what picture is this? Yes, cow. So the singular is cow, C-O-W, cow, and the plural for cow is cows, C-O-W-S, cows. The rest, number 2 to number 7, I want you to do by yourself, okay? I want you to do by yourself. Look at the picture and write the answer here. Task B. Activity 2. What animals can you see? Find and color. Then write. In this task, there are 3 instructions. First, you need to identify what animals can you see. Then, once you find it, you need to color. Then, right. Okay, so you need to look at the picture. Look at the picture. What animals can you see? Find and color the animals. I repeat, color the animals only. Okay, color the animals only. Color the animals only. Then write about the animals. For example, number 1, I found a cow. I found a cow. I color the cow. Then I write. Okay, I write. There's only one cow here. Okay, only one cow. So I write down here. There is one cow. There is one cow. Number 2 to 8. I want you to do by yourself. Okay, I want you to do by yourself. Find the other animals one by one. Color them and write about them. Use the correct singular and plural nouns in your sentences. Okay? Now we have come to the end of the lesson. Be safe and healthy at all times. Thank you and goodbye.